In this video, we're going to look at multiplying polynomials. So when you multiply polynomials, you'll multiply the coefficients and then you will add the exponents of like bases. So we're first going to start with multiplying a monomial times a monomial. So one term times one term. So again, the idea is to multiply the coefficients and then add the exponents of like bases. So when we're multiplying 7x cubed times 6x cubed, we'll multiply the 7 times the 6, which is 42, and then we'll keep the like base of x and then add the powers. 3 plus 3 is 6. So we have 42x to the 6. Number 8 is 4b squared times negative 9b. So we'll multiply the coefficients. 4 times negative 9 is negative 36. And then we'll keep the base b. And then we'll add the exponents. We have 2 plus another one makes 3. So we have negative 36b to the third. Now let's look at multiplying a monomial times a polynomial. So we're going to use a distributive property here. So on number 9, we have 3x times 2x squared plus 4. So we'll first distribute the 3x times the 2x squared. So 3 times 2 is 6. Then we'll keep the base x and add the power. So we have 1 plus 2 makes x to the cube. So that term becomes 6x cubed. Now we're going to distribute the 3x to the 4. So 3 times 4 is a positive 12, and then that x just kind of comes along for the ride. So we end up with 6x cubed plus 12x. On number 10, we have 4x times 3x cubed minus 2xy plus 3. So we'll distribute the 4x first to the 3x cubed. So 4x times 3x cubed means 4 times 3 is 12. And then we'll keep the base of x and add those powers. 1 plus 3 is 4. Now we'll distribute the 4x to the negative 2xy. So 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Then we have a like base of x, and we'll add those powers. 1 and 1 make 2, and then that y just comes along for the ride. And then we'll distribute the 4x to the 3. 4 times 3 is 12, and then the x just comes along for the ride. So we end up with 12x to the 4th minus 8x squared y plus 12x. Number 11, we have negative 2a times 6a to the 3rd minus 2a squared plus 4a minus 3. So first we'll distribute the negative 2a to the 6a cubed. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12, and then we'll add our exponents on the a's. We have 1 plus 3 is 4. Then we'll distribute the negative 2a to the negative 2a squared. Negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4. We'll keep that base of a and add the powers. 1 plus 2 is 3. We'll distribute the negative 2a to the 4a. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8, and then we'll add the exponents on the a. 1 plus 1 makes 2. And then distribute it to the negative 3. Negative 2 times negative 3 is a positive 6, and that a comes along for the ride. So we end up with negative 12a to the 4th plus 4a to the 3rd minus 8a squared plus 6a. So again, you can see that these are all different terms, so we're not going to combine them or anything like that. Even though they all have an a, we're not going to combine them.